Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So finally, we are doing a Q&A video. I know a lot of you are messaging me regarding this Q&A video. Eppudu study 500 subscribers అయిపోయినారని. But yeah, here we are. We are finally doing this Q&A video. So without any further delay, let's get started. Okay, so first question is secret behind your glow or skincare routine or hair care routine. So first thing, I don't have any skincare routine. I don't have any hair care routine because I'm not that rich yet to get my routines and products. So I don't take care of my own self. I don't have any routines. So yeah, I don't know how మీకు ఎలా గ్లో కనిపిస్తుందో తెలియదు because I can't even see a same skin tone on my face. ఇక్కడ ఒక కలర్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఇక్కడ ఒక కలర్ ఇక్కడ ఒక కలర్ you can clearly see, but it's fine, whatever. Moving on to the next question. Okay, what editing app do you use? So right now I'm using InShot. Mundu CapCut lo na videos edit aitunde. Yeah. Next, who do you have a crush on? Yeah, e question kuda is like a most asked question. If I'm taken, if I have a boyfriend, or if I have crush on, or if I'm simping on someone, I don't have any crush. I don't have any boyfriend. I'm not taken. I am single and I'm not ready to mingle. Next, advice for someone that has a crush on you but doesn't have the courage to tell you. As I said, ippude, I am single but I'm not ready to mingle. So I'm not interested. Keep the courage to your own self. Bye. Next, do you think people can change? Obviously, people antene they will change. So obviously, people can change. Aditi, I am from NIT X MRV campus. How was NIT X CDU campus? I need your honest review, yaar. Also, say about your best friend now, who is in my campus arts club president place. Only honest answers. Okay, first one by one, Chedam. It's like a big question. So, how was NIT X CDU campus? దాని గురించి నేను ఆల్రెడీ ఒక వీడియో చేశాను, రీసెంట్గానే చేశాను. సో గో క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ వీడియో. ఆల్సో నా ఫస్ట్ ఒపీనియన్ ఆన్ ద వీడియో ఆల్సో యూ కెన్ వాచ్. So I'll link two of the videos here in the iCard, so you can go watch it. And so you say about your best friend now. I think I am my own best friend. I do have best friend, but I don't want to take names.
ఆయన నాకు ఎవడు అక్కర్లేదు బొక్క పుట్టేటప్పుడు ఉన్నాడా పోయేటప్పుడు ఉంటాడా నాకేంటి అవసరం లేదు నేనే సింగిల్ వెళ్తా.
Next, who is in my campus, MRV campus arts club president place? Right now I think it's Amrita, and yeah, she is right now serving as the arts club president of MRV, NITX MRV. Is it really true about NIT studies? It's like Pinagraph, and but management in the graph. I actually don't want to give any opinion on this because yeah, like studies are good. Management could be better, is what I will say. In your YouTube channel journey, if you want to thank people, who do you thank? I will firstly thank myself, and there are other two people who I will thank, but I'm not going to take names on the camera. How many kids do you want to have? Why do you want to know how many kids I want to have? Why? Why do you want to know how many kids do I want to have? Because నేను ఇంకా ఆలోచించలేదు. I never thought of such things yet. చాలా టైం ఉంది దానికి. I don't want to talk about it right now. Let's go. How tall are you? I don't know. I guess I am 5'2", we are 5'3", I don't know. Actually నేను రీసెంట్గా రిపోర్ట్ చెక్ చేసుకున్నా. I think I have 158 centimeters something. Okay, next question. What is the 62 million thing? Explain. Okay, so I put this reel about like there are 62 million reasons to hate a whole gender. So basically, there is this academy kind of thing where men teach other men how to women. Yeah, and in the month of February, 1 month low, there are 62 million men who visited that website. So apparently there are 62 million men who are interested and engaged to that such kind of content and mindset. So that is the story behind the 62 million thing. The girl from your 11th and 12th whom you don't like. There is no girl that I don't like from my 11th and 12th, but I don't like my own principal of 11th and 12th. So I guess that's a very fun story time that I could do, but I'll do it on 5K subscribers. Yeah, because it's a very, very fun story time. So I guess echo audience unte, I think they'll enjoy it. So let's make it up to 5K subscribers soon. Why did you join NIT? As again, ఈ వీడియో చూడండి because recently I have made a whole story time, whole video regarding that topic. So go watch it. Hey, I just wanted to know about NITX CDU campus. Like, how's your experience, campus environment, etc. So my experience, ఇప్పటివరకు అయితే it's going good. Campus environment, as I said ముందు వీడియోలో కూడా, campus life comparative to other colleges, it's less. What is your deepest, darkest secret? If it is my deepest, darkest secret, why would I want to reveal it on the camera? Well, I don't think I have any much. Oh, I have one deepest, darkest secret, but I'm not going to reveal it now. So, yeah. Next question. Ever cheated? No lying. In exam? Yes. I have cheated in exams. But in real life, I have not gotten into any relationship or whatever to cheat. How much money did you spend to get views on your grit reels? Why do I look that rich that I'll spend money on my like reel videos for a contest? I'm not that rich yet, but I hope I become that rich someday. Looks या personality, क्या चाहिए तुझे? I will always prefer personality over looks because I feel like looks can change any day. So yeah, I get a CDU outside hostler ID. I think just DM me personally on Instagram. I'll share the IDs with you. Who's the last person you stalked? Lol. I stalked this one influencer who was constantly coming on my reels and ఊరికే నా ఫీడ్లో వస్తున్నారని చెప్పేసి I stalked his account. I liked all of his reels, but somehow there are still some reels left that are coming on my feed that I didn't like. So that was very irritating at a point. So I blocked that influencer later on. Next, why are you interested in content creation? I am interested in content creation because I love to do content creation. I love to speak in front of camera. So yeah, I think that reason is enough. This makes me happy. So yeah, I just do it. Weight periginawa means yes, I weight perigina. You can see కొంచెం బుగ్గలు అవన్నీ వచ్చినాయి. So yeah, comparatively పెరిగినా, but I think ఇంకా పెరగాలి. So 30-day challenge ని ఇంకా కొంచెం extend చేద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నా. But let's see. You got a lot of hate in start kada. How did you manage to deal with that? I didn't care in the first place. So yes, I got a lot of hate, but that didn't have a lot of impact on me. I didn't took it to my heart. So eventually that didn't affect me. So yeah. Do you believe in second chances? Wow. Do you believe in second chances? I used to believe in second chances. Now I don't, and I think you should not as well. ఓకే గైస్, ఎందుకు ఇట్లా మధ్యలో వీడియోలో వచ్చాయనుకుంటున్నారా? సో దెర్ ఇస్ దిస్ వన్ క్వశ్చన్ దట్ ఐ హావ్ బీన్ ఆస్క్డ్ సిన్స్ ద స్టార్టింగ్. నా ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్లో కూడా ఆర్ even in the comments of YouTube videos also, there is this one question they are constantly asking me. Adi I missed out, so అందుకే ఇప్పుడు ఈ వీడియోలో చేస్తున్నా. సో బేసికలీ నాట్ see ఈ నాట్ ఎగ్జామ్ గురించి ఆర్ ద హోల్ అడ్మిషన్ ప్రాసెస్ గురించి ఐ ఫీల్ దేర్ ఆర్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టెక్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ ఇన్ ఎన్ఐటి బేస్డ్ ఓన్లీ హూ హ్యావ్ ఆల్రెడీ డన్ వీడియోస్ అబౌట్ దాట్. అందుకని నేను చేయొద్దు అనుకున్నాను. బట్ నేను ఒక సింపుల్ గా చెప్తాను హౌ టు అప్లై ఫర్ నాట్ ఎగ్జామ్ అని చెప్పేసి. సో బేసికలీ I'll provide you a link in the description below. So go click on that link and register and book your slot for NAT exam. And ఆ link through మీరు జాయిన్ అయితే you'll get 50% discount on your exam fee. So ఆ link click చేసినాక after registering for your NAT exam, you'll book a slot for NAT exam, and then after writing your NAT exam, you'll be అంటే మీరు సెలెక్ట్ అయితే NAT exam నుంచి they'll call you for counseling. సో అక్కడ కౌన్సిలింగ్ వెళ్ళాక అక్కడ నుంచి మీ అడ్మిషన్ ప్రాసెస్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో యా, దిస్ వాస్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఐ మిస్డ్ అపాన్. సో ఐల్ మెన్షన్ ద లింక్ ఇన్ ద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ బిలో. సో డూ చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. Texting or calling, what do you prefer? I prefer not talking. I mean, see, I love to talk and text with people I like. But again, if there is no topic I have to talk about with the people, then I prefer not talking. Because call a silent ga undi, no silent, name silent, doesn't make any sense. So if there is any topic we can rant on, then I'll stay on call for hours, text for hours. Anything will be fine if I have a topic to talk about. If I don't have any topic to talk about, then light is for me. I don't like to talk only. Hi Didi, I admire you a lot. I love your confidence. I love your ramp work, especially. Even my parents watch your content. I am from your school only. I wanted to ask one word about our school. So first of all, thank you so much. And I'm really amazed that even your parents watch my content. So thank you so much. That's very sweet. And one word about our school, I'm not getting any words to define our school. What is that one word that defines our school? I don't know. I'm not getting any words. I would say if I have to define it in a sentence, I would say a place that built me, basically built my personality, built me, so built my confidence. So basically a place that transformed me. Well, I'll say, but that's not a one word, it's a one sentence, and I'm not getting any one word to define my school. So yeah, three qualities you want in your partner. First thing, though, I don't even want a partner right now, but three mandatory qualities, if I have to say, it will be first, obviously, respect. Second, a person who celebrates my small achievements. Third will be, I don't know, a person who loves me a lot. I mean, obviously, partner antene he'll love me gani. I think unconditional love is something I'll prefer. I mean, unconditional, actual literal term ki unconditional, and selfless love, I would say. Yeah. So those are the three qualities I will like in my partner. So yeah, that's all for today. I think we have covered mostly asked questions, but I know there are a lot of questions that have come. But then the question తీసుకోలేదంటే I've wantedly not taken that question because that may be something that I don't want to talk in front of camera. And yes, there are two important things that I would like to give answers to, because that is almost 90% నాకు అవే క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి. సో ఫస్ట్ థింగ్ గైస్, నేను కాలేజ్లో మాకు చాలా చాలా రూమర్స్ వచ్చినాయి. A lot of people ask me that if I am with this person, that person, what is happening between you both, ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి. గైస్, మన కాలేజ్లో, ఐ మీన్ నా కాలేజ్లో, లైక్ NITX CDUలో, I am with no one. Everyone there are my very very good friends, very close friends, nothing more than friends. Okay, nothing more than friends, and I don't want it to be more than friends also. And it's same from the other side as well. So yeah, and చాలా మంది అడిగారు ఇది కూడా, that what happened to me and my friends. ముందు నేను వాళ్ళతో వీడియోస్ చేస్తుండే, ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకు చేస్తుండే అని. గైస్, we are friends, but we are not that close friends like before. So yeah, apparently each one has their own life now. I mean, life and friends and their own circle now. So I feel they are doing great in their own spaces, and I'm doing great in my own space. So let's not make it a gossip, because నథింగ్, అసలు ఏం అవ్వలేదు అక్కడ గాసిప్ అవ్వడానికి. ఏమైంది మీ ఇద్దరి మధ్యలో అంటే ఏం కాలేదు, నథింగ్, దర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ హ్యాపెన్, వీఆర్ స్టిల్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, ఐఎమ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ విత్ ఎవ్రీ వన్. దర్ ఇస్ నథింగ్ దట్ హ్యావ్ happened between any of my friends and me who I previously used to make videos with. But yeah, we are still friends, but we are not friends in front of camera. Ante. That's all. And yeah, that's all for today's video. And ఇవే కాకుండా చాలా కాంప్లిమెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చినాయి, చాలా మంది పికప్ లైన్స్ వేశారు. I don't know, there is this one guy who have literally spammed my NGL with the pickup lines, which I can't say in front of camera right now. But yeah, I have read all of your questions. Okay, I've read everything, but I can't speak about it in front of the camera. So yeah, thank you so much for all of your questions, all of your time. So yeah, that's all for today's video, and thank you for 500 subscribers. I hope we reach 5k subscribers as soon as possible. So yeah, that's all for today's video. If you like it, like, share and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.